Hello students. So in this lecture I am going to discuss a numerical based on photo detector. So let's start this video. So I have written a numerical which was asked in GATE 2015. So read the numerical. So a figure shows a spot of light of uniform intensity and size 10 mm into 10 mm incident at the center of photo detector. So I have drawn a figure. This is the light spot which is falling at the center. These two are the photo detectors. This is D1, this is D2. They are falling. The dimension of spotlight is 10 mm into 10 mm and falling exactly at the center of photodiodes means this length will be 5 mm. This will be 5 mm. Next, two identical photodiodes D1, D2. Each diode has a sensitivity. Sensitivity of both these diodes are same, which is given as 0.4 microampere per watt and is operated in photoconductive mode. Means both diodes are operating in reverse bias mode because photodiode always operated in reverse bias mode. So both are in reverse bias mode. If the spot of light is displaced upward, if this is the spotlight, if this will be displaced upward by 100 micrometer, but we have, this is 5 mm total. Right now it is 5 mm and this is 5 mm because light is falling at the center of this photo detector. So now this spotlight will be displaced upward by 100 micrometer. So 100 micrometer means if we want to calculate in mm, that will be equal to 0.1 mm. This is micrometer multiplied by 10 raised to minus 3 mm. So that will come out to be 0.1 mm. So this light, now it is displaced upward. So it will come here. This width will be same. Only the shift is upward. So the new spotlight will be this one. Now, what is the area for in D1? See, this is 10 mm. This was 5. Now 0.1 mm is displaced upward. So this is 5.1 mm from this point to this point. Now this is total was 5 mm. 0.1 is subtracted. So that will come out to be 4.9 mm. So this will be the area of D1 sense active area in D1. This is the active area in D2. So this portion is the active area of D2 and this is the active area of D1. Now we have to calculate the difference between the photo current generated by D1 and D2. So this is D1, D2, photo current generated. So from the given information we will solve. First give active area we have calculated. So active area will be 10 mm into 5.1 mm. So if we calculate the active area of D1, active area, that is equal to, for active area of D1, that is 10 mm into, that is 5.1 mm. So that comes out to be 51 millimeter square. But intensity of a light is given as 50 watt per meter square. Means active area is in meter square. So we will calculate 51 into 10 raised to minus 6 meter square. This is the active area. And if we calculate the active area of D2, active area of D2. So what is the active area? This is 10 mm and this width is 4.9 mm. So 4.9 mm into 10 mm. So that will come out to be 49 millimeter square, or we can write 49 into 10 raised to minus 6 meter square. Now next information given is the intensity and the sensitivity is given. So what is intensity? Intensity is the optical power per unit area and that area is nothing but active area. So if we calculate the intensity, see, intensity of a light, that is equal to power falling per unit active area. This is the area, active area, and this is the optical power. So from this relation we know the active area, we know the intensity, so we can calculate the power. And using the same formula in sensitivity, sensitivity is the power or current divided by power, so we can calculate the current. So now what is the power? If we calculate for 1, what is the intensity? Intensity is 50 watt per meter square into area in meter square. So 49 into 10 raised to minus 6. Because this is in meter square, this is meter square, so the power will be in watt. If we calculate the P2, means for diode 2, that is intensity of light is same, but what is changed? Active area. So for 1, the active area was 51. For diode 2, active area is 49 into 10 raised to minus 6. Now we have calculated the power. Now sensitivity of these two diodes are same. So what is the sensitivity? So we calculate the sensitivity, that is given by current divided by optical power. This is called photocurrent divided by optical power. So I1 equal to S1 into P1. So sensitivity is same for both the diodes. So 0.1, 0.4 into what is P1? 50 into 51 into 10 raised to minus 6. What about photocurrent due to diode 2? That is equal to sensitivity into my optical power 2. So sensitivity is same, that is equal to 0.4 ampere per watt into, this is for I2, power is P2 into 50 into 49 into 10 raised to minus 6. So this is in ampere. So we have to calculate the in microampere. So 10 raised to minus 6, that will become microampere. We have to calculate the difference. So that difference I1 minus I2 will be equal to, because we have to calculate a photocurrent generated by D1, D2. The difference of I1 and I2. So I1 is come out to be 0.4 into 50 into 51 minus 0.4 into 50 into 49. That will become microampere. So if you solve this 0 get cancelled. So this will come out to be 40 microampere. So you have to type only 40 from the keyboard. So that will be the final answer, 40 microampere. Thank you.